Hi everyone, this is Lagos Housewife. I'm actually about to make dinner, but I decided to record it because I want to make a simple rice stick stir fry. So I said, let me show you how I make it. Very fast dinner. If not that I'm using beef in it, it's actually a dinner that can be ready in 15 minutes. But the beef will add small more time to it, maybe an extra 15 minutes. So let's say 30 minutes. Let me show you what I'll be using. I'll be using meat. This is actually tozo, that's the hump of the cow. Then black pepper, white pepper, minced red and yellow chili. This is ginger. This is garlic. Here we have carrots, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, onions. Is not usually used in stir fry, but I'll be using it. And cabbage. Then I have spring onions here. For my sauce, I'll be using soy sauce, rice vinegar, sesame oil, and fish sauce. And of course, the rice stick I'll be using. I'll season the beef with a little bit of black pepper. This is like about 2 teaspoons. Same quantity of white pepper. I'll also be adding soy sauce to it. But before I add it, I just want to tell you something about this soy sauce. This is the soy sauce I used. And you know why? Because I have a healthy habit I always do. I read every ingredient on every product before buying it. And you know I always tell you, read your ingredient list before buying. Whenever I go to supermarket, what takes me long is reading ingredients on everything I want to buy, and I choose the one with healthy ingredients. So this is the soy sauce I use. Even if you don't get this exact one, please read through the ingredient list before deciding which one to buy, okay? So I'll be adding about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce to this. Then mixy. Let's set this aside. Next thing I'll be doing is mixing the sauce for the stir fry, and I'll be mixing it inside here. I'll be using rice vinegar. Remember what I said, read your ingredient list so you will know the right one to buy. Yeah, I'm giving you a hint. I'll also be using fish sauce. As I said, read your ingredient list. I'll be telling you this every single time when I'm showing you products that you are to buy in the supermarket that you are not making by yourself, so that you will know to choose healthier options. So also in the sauce, I'll also be adding soy sauce. So let me show you. In here, I'm adding a 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, a 1/4 cup of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'll also be adding minced garlic and minced ginger to the sauce. A tablespoon of minced ginger, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. We stir it and set it aside. This is what I'll be using, the rice sticks. It's made with rice, but as you can see, please don't cook this. It will get soggy and over soft. But you are just to soak it in hot water, then you will add it to your stir fry. So I'll be soaking it now. All the prep has been done. Time to start frying. This is the oil I'll be using for the stir fry. This is sesame oil. Again, read your ingredients. There are some sesame oils that are mixed with vegetable oil. They are not 100% sesame, but this is 100% sesame seeds. Okay? My meat has been stir frying. Now I want to add minced chili. Okay, this is not normal in regular stir fry, but the fact is we are Nigerians, we like our pepper. So I'm going to be adding this to mine. If you notice, I added water to the beef. Normally, there is no need to add water. It's already cooked, it's already stir-fried. But I trust you, my Nigerian people. Lagos housewife, is the beef done? Is it done like that? You didn't cook it, no need to cook it. Actually, no need to cook it, but because of you people, you can add water and let it boil. But the fact of the matter is, let the water boil dry, then you continue your stir frying with the veggies. It's actually already cooked, already stir fried. If you eat it now, it's very soft. But to satisfy you people, let's add the water like that. Time to add the rice sticks and the sauce. Doesn't that look delicious? See it now. Let me taste it on your behalf. So that as I'm eating it, you'll be feeling how delicious it is. You can feel it a bit. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.